Struggling with debt on a tight income? Here are 7 practical ways you can start taking control of your money and finally get ahead. Dealing with debt can feel heavy and exhausting, especially when you're working with a low income. The pressure of juggling bills, covering basic needs, and trying to make payments can easily create stress and frustration. It's completely normal to feel overwhelmed, but it's important to remember that there is always a path forward. With patience, discipline, and the right approach, getting out of debt is absolutely possible, even if your income is limited. What matters most is taking consistent steps that gradually improve your financial situation. In this blog post, we'll walk through practical and proven strategies that can help you regain control of your finances, reduce your debt, and begin your journey toward long-term financial freedom. You don't have to stay stuck in the cycle. With the right plan, you can create real change and move closer to a debt-free life. Understanding your financial situation is the first and most important step toward breaking free from debt. You can't change what you don't acknowledge, and many people stay stressed simply because they don't have a clear picture of their income, expenses, and debts. Once you become aware of where your money is going, you gain the power to make intentional decisions that move you forward. Start by listing every source of income you have and outlining your essential monthly expenses like rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Then identify any debts you're currently managing. Seeing everything laid out gives you clarity, direction, and the foundation needed to set meaningful financial goals. Whether you want to start an emergency fund, pay off a loan, or simply stay afloat, understanding your reality helps you plan more effectively. Cutting expenses is one of the most powerful steps you can take when working with a low income. Managing your spending matters just as much, sometimes even more, than how much you earn. By reducing unnecessary costs, you free up money that can be used to pay off debt or build savings. Simple choices like cooking at home, using generic brands, limiting takeout, and reviewing unused subscriptions can create meaningful changes in your budget. Even small adjustments make a big difference over time. Saving with intention means setting aside whatever amount you can, even if it's just a small portion. Consistency is what helps your savings grow and gives you a sense of stability. Clearing debt is a major milestone in improving your financial situation, and doing it step by step is the most effective approach for low-income earners. Debt repayment removes the heavy burden of interest and helps you keep more of the money you work hard for. 2 well-known strategies can help you stay on track. The snowball method focuses on paying off the smallest debt first to build motivation, while the avalanche method targets high-interest debts to save money long-term. Choose the method that keeps you motivated so you can stick with it. Even small extra payments each month move you closer to becoming debt-free. Progress may feel slow, but every bit counts. Generating additional income can speed up your journey to financial freedom. While cutting expenses stretches what you already have, earning extra helps you pay off debt faster and save more. Side hustles like freelancing, tutoring, online services, selling pre-loved items, or offering skills like baking or photography can give you a boost in income without needing a major lifestyle change. If you earn extra money, direct it toward your financial goals instead of upgrading your lifestyle too quickly. This is how small changes turn into meaningful progress. Prioritizing your smallest debt first is a powerful technique, especially if you struggle with staying motivated. Seeing a debt disappear gives you an emotional win that pushes you to keep going. By clearing one balance at a time, you build momentum and confidence. This psychological boost helps you stay committed, even when your income is limited or your progress feels slow. There may come a point when professional help becomes necessary. If you feel overwhelmed, confused, or unable to manage your financial obligations, seeking guidance can make a world of difference. Reach out to trusted professionals like certified financial planners, credit counselors, or bank advisors who can help you explore options such as restructuring or consolidation. A professional can look at your situation objectively and offer personalized strategies to help you move forward. Cultivating positive financial habits is the true key to long-term financial health. It's not about quick fixes. It's about consistent, mindful behavior. Tracking your spending, saving regularly, paying bills on time, avoiding impulsive purchases, and continuing to learn about money are habits that build a strong financial foundation. Over time, these small habits compound into major progress. Financial security isn't just a goal. It's a lifestyle created through daily decisions that support your future. If this video helped you understand accounting a little better, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more accounting tips and guides. See you in the next video.